Do you know how to transfer photos from Samsung to computer? If not, don't worry, this video will deliver 5 most easy to follow ways for your no-hassle transfer experience. 1. How to export photos from Samsung Galaxy to PC using USB cable. Connect Samsung to PC via USB. Allow computer detection. Choose MeTP or PTP. Open this PC. Select device. Go to DSIM folder. Copy and paste images to PC folder. 2. How to import photos from Samsung to PC with Samsung Case. Download and install Samsung Case. Launch it. Connect Samsung device via USB. In Case. Select Photos to find device pictures. Choose Images. Click Save to PC to transfer. 3. How to transfer photos from Samsung Galaxy to PC via Mobikin Assistant for Android. Mobikin Assistant for Android is an Android files manager tool that not only allows you to transfer different kinds of files like photos, music, videos, etc. from Samsung or other Android devices to computer. Launch Mobikin Assistant. Connect Samsung USB Wi-Fi. Follow on-screen instructions to recognize the device. Select Photos Camera Library on the left. Pick Photos. Click Export to copy to PC. 4. How to download photos from Samsung phone to computer via Google Drive. Open Google Drive on Samsung. Sign in. In Google Drive. Tap plus Upload to add photos on your computer. Sign into Google account. Download uploaded pictures to desktop. 5. How to copy photos from Samsung Galaxy to computer via Bluetooth. Enable Bluetooth on Samsung and make it visible on PC. Enable Bluetooth in Action Center. Pair devices and confirm passcode. On PC, select Receive files via Bluetooth. On Samsung, share photos via Bluetooth to PC.